So now we will see filter function in JavaScript. So guys, basically this filter function can be used on an array which helps us in order to return a new array based on a certain condition. So guys, let us say you have the list of numbers inside the array and you only want to get the even numbers from this particular array. So guys, you can simply use the filter function in order to filter out the other values. That is, you can remove the odd numbers and only get the even numbers over here. So basically it filters out the array values in this case. So guys, basically there is no change in the original array, so it is going to return a new array with a new set of numbers inside that particular new array. So guys, let us understand this with the help of example in VS Code over here. So simply we are going to create a new file in this case. So as you can see, we have this filter.js file over here. Now guys, what we will do is, let us say we want to define the array in this case, that is array 1. It is equal to, let us say we have the numbers from 1 to 10 over here. So guys, simply we are going to have all the numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and then up to 10 in this case, and let us say we want to print the original array over here. So simply we will say original array followed by colon, and then we have the dollar symbol and then open and close curly braces, and then over here we have the array 1 in this case. Now let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal by using the node command followed by the name of the JavaScript file. So guys, over here when we press enter, as you can see, this is the original array which is having all the elements over here, that is 1 2 3 4 up to 10 in this case. Now guys, let us say we only want to print the even numbers over here. So what we will do is, simply we will make use of this array 1 followed by dot, and then we can make use of the filter function over here. As you can see, it returns the elements of an array that meet the condition specified in a callback function. So guys, over here this particular filter function is going to take another parameter which is going to be a callback function in this case. So let us say we provide the get even numbers over here as the callback function. So guys, basically this is the callback function which we have to define. So let me just copy this and let me just create a function with this particular name, that is get even numbers. And what it will do is, it is going to take one parameter over here, that is number, and then it is going to check whether this particular number is it an even number or the odd number. So guys, over here it is simply going to return number and then followed by percent symbol, and then we have 2 and then equal to 3 times, and then it is equal to 0. So guys, what is the meaning of this particular expression? Basically we are asking the interpreter to take this number, which means when we use this particular filter function and provide this callback function over here, every time the number is going to get one number from the array. So first time it is going to get 1 over here, so 1 divided by 2, and what is the remainder in this case? So basically number will be divided by the fixed number, that is 2 over here, and the remainder will be returned in this case. And if the remainder is 0, then we are going to return the true expression, or else the expression will be false over here. So for number 1 the expression will be false, since the remainder will be 1 over here after dividing the number by 2. And then for the next number, that is 2 divided by 2, the remainder will be 0, and we are going to get the expression as true over here. And for whatever number we are going to get the expression as 2, that particular number will be included in new array. So guys, over here the filter function is going to return another array over here. So simply we are going to take that array inside this even numbers. So guys, over here even numbers will be another array that is only going to give us the even numbers from this particular original array in this case. The original array that we have used over here is before the filter function in this case. Now guys, what we have to do is, simply we are going to provide the console.log statement over here, and then we will say even numbers, it is equal to, and then dollar symbol, and this time we are going to use the even numbers array. So as you can see, this is the array that we are printing right now. Let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal. So as you can see, we have the original array which is not changed. It is having all the original numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 up to 10 over here, and then we are having the even numbers array which is 2 4 6 8 10. So guys, out of all these numbers, only these 5 are the even numbers over here, which means when we divide them by 2, we are getting the remainder, that is 0 over here. So guys, in this way simply we can filter out the different values from the original array and use them by using the filter function over here. Now guys, since this particular function, that is the callback function, is only having one expression over here, we can convert this entire function into an arrow function over here. So instead of calling this callback function, in this case simply we can provide the number as the parameter to this arrow function, and then we make use of the equal to operator and the greater than symbol as the combination, since this is the arrow function that we are using, and then simply we make use of this number parameter over here, and then we use this particular same expression once again. So let me just copy this and paste this over here. So as you can see, for whatever number that is coming one by one from this original array, that particular number is going to be checked against number %2 expression over here. If it is an even number, then this particular expression will result into 1 and this will return false in this case, and if it is 0, then we are going to get the even numbers which are going to be stored inside this particular array. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal. So once again we are getting the same response over here, that is even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now guys, similarly we can also filter out the odd numbers as well by providing the expression that is number %2 is not equal to 0, or else number %2 is equal to 1 over here. So guys, I'll leave this as a homework for you so that you can practice on your own. Comment in the comment section below what is the output for the odd numbers that you are getting in this list of numbers that we have stored inside the array. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. So guys, please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about map function in JavaScript. So stay tuned.